Now the therapeutic uses of benzodiazepines. Here is a chart. We can see here the compound name, the route of administration, therapeutic use, comment, half-life, and the usual dose. First of all, we see the alprazolam. This alprazolam can be used in oral route, and it is used in anxiety disorder and agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means some type of anxiety disorder. As an example, some people get afraid when they enter into the elevator. That means lift. Lift is a closed room. In here they get afraid. So this is on form of the panic or fear disorder, that is the agoraphobia. So alprazolam is used in anxiety disorder and the agoraphobia, and it has the 12-hour half-life. And in market, the alprazolam is available in 0.25 to 2 milligram doses. Here is the chlordiazepoxide. This chlordiazepoxide can be used in oral, intramuscular, and intravenous route, and it is used as anxiety disorder, management of alcohol withdrawal, and pre-anesthetic medications. And it has the half-life of 10 hours, and it is available in 50 to 100 milligram. Clobazam. It can be used in oral route, and it is used in adjunct treatment of the Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. It is one form of the childhood epilepsy, so it is used in epilepsy treatment and anxiety disorder, and it is available in the market in 10 milligrams, and the half-life is 36 to 42 hours. Here we can see the clonazepam. Clonazepam is available in the market in 0.25 to 5 milligram, 0.5 milligram, and it is used in oral route, and it used in the seizure disorder, panic disorder, in the adjunctive treatment in acute mania and certain movement disorders. Cloragepate, it is a prodrug, and it has half-life of 2 hours and available in the market in 3.75 to 20 milligrams, and it is used in anxiety disorder, seizure disorder, management of alcohol withdrawal. Diazepam, it is the prototypic benzodiazepine. That means it is the leader benzodiazepine. It can be used in oral, intramuscular, intravenous, and parectal. It can be used in different types of indications like anxiety disorder, alcohol withdrawal, status epilepticus, skeletal muscle relaxation, and pre-anesthetic medication. Sometimes it can be used in Meniere's disease. In the market, it is available in 5 to 10 milligram. Now the estazolam. This estazolam can be used in oral route, and the flurazepam, it is also can be used in oral route. These two drugs can be used in insomnia, and it is available in estazolam 1 to 2 milligram, and the flurazepam is 15 to 30 milligram. Now the lorazepam. Lorazepam can be used in oral, intramuscular, and intravenous routes. It can be used in anxiety disorder, alcohol withdrawal syndrome, pre-anesthetic medication, and seizure disorder. It is available in 1 to 4 milligram, and half-life is 14 hours. Now the midazolam. Midazolam can be used in oral, intramuscular, and intravenous use. It can be used in pre-anesthetic medication as well as the intraoperative medication in anxiety disorder, and some agitation, alcohol withdrawal, and seizure disorder. It has the market. It is available in 1 to 5 milligram, and half-life is very short. It is 2 hours, about 2 hours. In oxazepam, it is available in oral route, and it is used in anxiety disorder and alcohol withdrawal. It is available in 15 to 30 milligram, and half-life is 8 hours. The coazepam, temazepam, and triazolam all are available in oral route. They can be used in insomnia. The coazepam and temazepam is available in 7.5 to 30 milligram, and the triazolam is available in 0.125 to 0.5 milligram. These are the drugs, and these are the therapeutic uses of the benzodiazepines. In summary, we can see that benzodiazepine can be used in relief of anxiety, for the insomnia, for sedation and amnesia, before and during medical and surgical procedures, treatment of epilepsy and seizure state, a component of balanced anesthesia, especially intravenous administration, for control of ethanol or other sedative hypnotic withdrawal state, that means alcohol withdrawal, for muscle relaxation, a specific form of the neuromuscular disorder, and diagnostic aid, and for treatment of psychiatry. These are the, in summary, the therapeutic uses of benzodiazepine.